picked this up on Marketplace a couple weeks back, this little Gibson here for $25, and got this out of Queens, and it appears to be in really nice shape actually. I don't really care for the front panel too much, so I'm probably not going to use this anywhere, but it's in pretty much mint condition, so I couldn't pass it up. It's your typical bedroom size slumber master unit here. I spent about 2 hours at a flathead straightening out the fins because I don't have a fin comb right now, so I got it looking pretty good. You can tell it's Gibson built by that drain apparatus there. And this is look at the tag. It's an 8,000 BTU, 20 ounces of R22, 10 amps it's allowed to draw, made in 1986, and this is actually made by WCI. It's that late. And yeah, I need to get new material for the side accordions, but the plastic is there. AM certified. Metal fan blade. All right, start with high fan. Pretty loud on high, and then go down to low. Pretty quiet on the inside. I need to throw new thrust washers in the motor. You can kind of hear a little bit of a rumbling sound there. It's got a Matsushita rotary compressor, and yes, that is the correct way to pronounce it, Matsushita. Is this one? Yeah, it's made in Japan. As you can see, just by looking there, it's in pretty nice shape. All right, anyway, there goes nothing. Sounds like we flooded the evaporator already. A lot of these actually have the Gibson logo with the letters going, you know, so you can read them correctly, but it's going down. This one is actually sideways for whatever reason. I don't know why they did that. I need to push these wires away from the case. I actually already zip tied them because they were about to rub out on the compressor. Might need to fix the fan shroud a little bit. Okay, it's been running for about 10 minutes now, and for a rotary, it's icy cold. That's cold, man. I think what I'll end up doing is I'll redo the compressor connections and just shorten the wires so there's less possibility of them rubbing out somewhere, because there's a lot of slack that they do. But yeah, typical base model Gibson. It didn't even have a door from the factory. There's no hinge for it or anything. And yeah. So real quick, I'll take off the front cover. Likes to freeze up, and it's got a full charge too. I mean, she likes to freeze, so This thing is freaking ice cold. It's hot in here too. It's about 72. Alright, that's it for this one. Still got to post a video of a GE Superline I actually had installed in this window like August, September, something like that. So I'll post a video up about that as well. Alright, peace.